temperature. So temperature initial is 2.8 degrees Celsius. Temperature final is 12.3 degrees Celsius. The experiment shows that 2.1 kilojoules of heat are needed. That's Q. It's in kilojoules. That's fine. We might have to convert. I don't know. What can the chemist report for the specific heat capacity? We're trying to find C. And let's look at the units of the answer to figure out what kind of conversions we need to do with this stuff. All right, units are joule, gram, K. Now, here's the confusing thing. You don't need to convert your Celsius to Kelvin because the difference between the Celsius would be the same as the difference between the Kelvin. Okay? Okay. If you added 273.15 to this number and also added it to this number, and then you subtract them to get their difference, it's going to be the same difference. Just work directly in Celsius. You will have the same value. I'm sorry if that was confusing. I understand that it probably was. Okay, so we're going to turn our kilojoule into joule. 2.1 kilojoule. There's 1,000 joule in 1 kilojoule. So that's 1, 2, 3. So I've got 2,100 joule equals, I need to be in gram. I know you probably don't need me to show you how to convert this stuff, but that's okay. There's 1,000 gram in 1 kilogram. So 1, 2, 3. That's 950 gram. We're trying to find C. And our temperature change is 12.3 minus 2.8. So that's 9.5. So I'm just going to solve for C. I'm going to divide over my 950. I'm going to divide over my 9.5. And C is 0.23268. And the unit, because I divided over my gram and my C, the unit is joule over gram. And it doesn't matter if you use C or K, it's going to give you the same thing. Sig figs might be a bitch here because let me explain to you really what has been going on with subtraction all along. You have this first step of subtraction where it's governed by number of decimal places. So we actually need to know how many sig figs this temperature change is. So 12.3 minus 2.8 with 1 decimal place, is 9.5. So you take that amount of sig figs into the rest of the problem. That's 2. So when you're doing multiple step math, you determine sig figs at each step. We had this on midterm 1. So 2 sig figs. So this is what my answer should be. 0.23, better be right. Don't have time for it not to be right. Green. Yes? Okay, let's do a different one.